Welcome to Asadullah Khan Knowledge Hub. We are going to discuss about class 11 chemistry syllabus. So let's have a look at the index part. So these are the topics which are included in the syllabus. First you have basic concepts of chemistry, in which the topics included are types and states of matter, measurement of properties, laws of chemical combination, Dalton's atomic theory, atomic and molecular masses. Second, you have introduction to analytical chemistry and basic analytical techniques, in which you are going to study about uses and handling of various instruments. The topics which will be covered in these chapters are qualitative and quantitative analysis, mathematical operation and error analysis, various calculations and problems of analysis. Also, you will be studying different analytical techniques like purification techniques, distillation, solvent extraction, and chromatographic techniques like paper chromatography and column chromatography. Next is the structure of atom. So here the topics are discovery of subatomic particles, means the particles which are present inside the atom, atomic number, atomic mass number, isotopes and isobars, Bohr's model of hydrogen atom, shape of orbitals and various rules for electron filling. Next you have chemical bonding, in which you are going to study Kussel and Lewis approach to chemical bonding, types of bonds, theories like VSEPR and VBT, types of hybridization and geometry. Next, redox reactions, which includes loss and gain of electrons. So the topics will be the redox reaction in terms of electron transfer and oxidation number, balancing of various redox reactions and standard electrode potentials. Next you have modern periodic table and study of elements of group 1, 2, 13, 14 and 15. So structure of periodic table will be included here with characteristics of each block and periodic trends in physical and chemical properties and detailed study of elements of group 1, 2, 13, 14 and 15. Next is the states of matter, in which detailed study will be done of gaseous state and some properties of liquid state. So here topics that will be covered are types of intermolecular forces, properties of gases, various gas laws, an ideal gas equation and deviation from ideal behavior. Next you have adsorption and colloids. So in this you are going to study what is adsorption and types of adsorption and desorption, study of catalysis, preparation properties and various applications of colloids. Next is the chemical equilibrium. So topics included here are first reversible and irreversible reaction, then equilibrium in physical and chemical processes, law of mass action and equilibrium constant, applications and factors affecting equilibrium constant. Next you have nuclear chemistry and radioactivity. This chapter includes topics like similarity between solar system and structure of atom, classification of nuclides, modes of decay and applications of different radioisotopes. Then comes basic principles of organic chemistry and hydrocarbons, in which you are going to study about compounds containing carbon. Last you have chemistry in everyday life, in which you are going to study about uses of chemistry in our day-to-day life like food, clothes, buildings, medicines, agriculture and transport. And also, as we are aware of the pandemic conditions, there is a decrease in the portion, and here is the part which has been deleted from the syllabus. You can have a look at the part and mark it down in your textbook. So thanks for watching.
For further updates of Dr. Asadullah Khan English High School and Junior College, Don't forget to press the bell icon.